Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, here we go with Auton. 2 shots quickly into the speaker from the Red Alliance. 456. Siege Robotics heading to the center line to grab one as well. Blue getting one into their speaker to see if they can get another one. As we get to the end of this Auton for qualification match number 55, Teleop is now up and going as all 6 robots are moving. Center line already clear as 2283 looking to pass that note to their team. That is Panteras as they clear the last note from that center line. Now you're going to start to see these robots heading to their source zone to collect any of the remaining notes so they can introduce those into the field. Right now, Red with a decent advantage for 45-31. Go ahead and shooting one to the speaker. That is Steampunk. While 456 go ahead and getting it from their source zone as well. 2283 doing the same thing, running those cycles to head to their side of the source zone to get those notes from their human players. Bayou Stem playing some defense against Siege Robotics, trying to delay them as they're working their cycles as Siege Robotics goes ahead and puts one of those notes into their amp. A shot coming from Steampunk, but it gets stuck out of their shooter and ends up on the ground. Cleaned up, though, it looks like, by 36-16. Team Phenomena, as they're going ahead and pick up that note that did not make it into their speaker from their teammate, and they do indeed get it. As Siege Robotics puts another one inside of their amp, Red is now ready to amplify. Of course, you're going to see the robots grab some notes and take advantage because, once again, that's going to increase the points for each one of those notes inside of their speaker and amp, and they do, as 36-16 shoots one in there, and that is 5 points from Team Phenomena as they get that into their amp, and same thing for Siege Robotics. A decent advantage for the Red Alliance. Blue's going to do what they can to delay them as 2283. Panteras gathers one from their source zone. Siege Robotics runs a little bit of defense to slow them down as they clash in the middle of the field. 2 shots quickly for the Red Alliance as we get down to less than 30 seconds. Teams are now getting in position for in-game, and with that guitar riff, it is in-game as you start to see those high notes getting tossed into the field. The Red Alliance getting ready to look like they want to get on stage, and they do get 2 robots on stage on the same chain. 36-16 likewise also on their side of the stage as 3 seconds left. 2, 1, and at the end of the buzzer, the Blue gets a high note onto the microphone as all 6 of these robots are near their stage. After that win from 88 to 24, they will receive 4 ranking points, 2 for the win, 1 for getting melody, and a crescendo after they did have a harmony with 2 robots landing on the same chain.